Hi, it's Tim again. I'm following up with the video I just posted on uh, room labels, and I'll link that in the description below and the card above here. But I wanted to continue this. I added a macro of text with several of these macros for global room info and several of these uh, numbers and macros that you can information that you can pop into a um, macro into a text. So room.automatic description, room name, room dimensions, room ceiling, room.height.ceiling, room.height.ceiling finish, room.type, room.function, and I did a referenced.room.schedule number. Interestingly, when I open this up, room automatic description pulls up living room, so that's the owner, but room.name I currently have as referenced to this text, which is in the bedroom, and reference.room.schedule number. Let's remove the referenced. Okay, so automatic description and room schedule number appears to go with the owner, but room.name and interestingly the room.dimensions as well as ceiling height and ceiling finish and room type and room function go with the referenced, even though I'm not automatically calling them, I'm not specifying them as referenced, I'm specifying them. This is confusing. Some are specified, I'm not specifying any of them as owner or referenced. They're just automatically coming up as bedroom through bedroom here is referenced, and these two are owner automatically. So one way you could do this, because I got thinking about it, anytime I change this, say, to electrical plan view, I may not want all of that information in the in the in that electrical plan view. Let's say I do room labels in this plan view. I may not want all that information there, right? HVAC plan, etc. So let's go back to my as-built. All right, so here's one way we could do it. All right, let's remove the custom room label, and we're going to copy that. I'm going to Control X and click OK. And I'm going to select all of these rooms and just check and uncheck the show room label. And then I'm going to select the room and I'm going to turn off interior dimensions here. So let's go to my architectural plan set and turn off interior dimensions like this, right? And then I'm going to create a text that has this information. And then I'm going to do referenced. And let's actually create a rich text so that we can format this. And we're going to put under here room, global room, room what? room dimensions. There we go. We're going to center all of this. And then I'm going to put an arrow to that. Room dot, there we go. This has to be room dot, there we go. Let's do referenced. That's one way to do it. You could reference the closet, leave the closet label in the closet, because as soon as I put the closet label in the bedroom, I'm going to get the bedroom information, but so you'd have to leave the closet label in there. And then you could get the closet information. Let's do the same thing here. Come on. There we go. So to do this process, you could do your version. And you could also say you could also like, let's say, make no arrow. It has to have an arrow. Dial. Let's do it like this. Let's make a white arrow. White. Let's make it a line style that's the hidden line type. So it doesn't, you don't have that arrow like necessarily floating around, but that without the arrow, it may be confusing as to what this is referring to. The arrow's there. I don't know. That's one way of doing it. And then when you go to your electrical, because this is text on the CD plan layer, when you go to electrical, now you don't have that text or the arrows. You just see the labels. Maybe, maybe not. Hope that helps. Take care.